My name is Malvika Varadan, and I think the one thing that we can all agree to is that in times of crisis, the hardest thing is to have a positive mindset. But I'm here with Dhaval and Mihir. Thank you guys, first of all, for being part of this.
Thanks for having us.
Do you want to start by telling us who you are, what you do, and how long BNI has been a part of your lives?
So I've been a member of Insomniacs for about 1.5 years now.
Okay.
And Mihir has been champions for 3 years. And so BNI, I think over the last couple of years has become a very big part of our life. So obviously the weekly meetings are one thing. But besides that also in terms of everything else, in terms of the people we've met, in terms of how we've grown in terms of our knowledge base and business definitely. So a large chunk of our business also comes from BNI now. So it's
incredible.
been great. Yeah.
Incredible. So what do you do, and
Yes.
what is the industry that you're in?
Correct. So we're in the construction industry. We basically focus on fit out. We do a lot of interior design and fit out. And now we've grown into custom furniture as well. So it's basically design, fit out and furniture. So the entire package.
Lovely.
Yeah.
And then comes COVID. And the fit out business doesn't look as good as it used to, I presume. Do you want to tell us what those few weeks and months were like?
Actually, obviously when COVID hit or whatever it did, we were taken aback. We didn't expect it, we didn't see it coming, especially with the restrictions and things in place. So when you have a team of about 300 plus people, it becomes a challenge as what you're going to do with these people. Second is how are you going to protect everybody, because as a family-owned business of 34 years, these people are our backbone, technically. And it required a massive mindset shift, which didn't happen overnight. But it took us a few months to get around it and then basically build up from there. So while everything was going south, we started looking north and started chasing a different angle entirely.
Incredible. You used two beautiful words there, mindset and change. Do you want to tell me, first of all, how did you work on that mindset? How was BNI a part of creating that positive mindset? And secondly, how did you all change?
So I would say in a couple of ways actually. So a lot of mentors came along the way. Guys like Sajid, guys like Munir, Kunal, people who you could actually talk to, bounce ideas off and understand at every point what you need to do to keep correcting your alignment so that we're always focused in the direction we want to go. And that was one major thing. And overall, the thing is that looking at it in hindsight, the entire COVID thing just turned out to be like a minor obstacle. So we're well on way in terms of what we want to achieve for the year.
Lovely. So how did work change? How did business change? How did plans change overnight?
It was awesome because we were going back home on time. You had to reach home before 8 o'clock. It was awesome.
Yeah.
We loved it. But what we did was we just dug in deeper. We said, we split our responsibilities. We realigned completely. We said, so he started optimizing the back end, which is the operation side of it, and I started looking at new ways to generate further business. We started picking up jobs left, right, center, saying, we're not going to do pay cuts. We're not going to reduce salaries. People are working the same number of hours, even harder. So it's not fair in the first place. So why are we doing this? So we said, let's set a strategy up to 2020 end and make sure that we come out of this whether we like it or not. So pick up jobs across the board. I would say anything from, and we've signed jobs anywhere from say 5,000 dirhams to 5 million dirhams in this period specifically, targeting anybody and everybody. It didn't matter whether you're residential, commercial, you want a center table or a dining table or a restaurant. We'll come in, we'll pick it up, and we'll do it.
We've just taken everything basically.
Wow.
We've not said no to anything else.
Wow.
And the team backed us up. So I think that was the great part. We haven't lost people. In fact, we've added a lot more because you got some awesome people who will let go. So it made it even nicer.
Yes. Incredible. So what does present and future look like for you guys in terms of post-COVID?
So I would say onwards and upwards. It's opened our eyes up to so many things that now we actually understand our business much better than we actually did. So it afforded us the time at that point to go dig deeper and understand what we're doing wrong. So I think our foundations are stronger now, and I think it just gives us the platform. We've also identified to a certain extent who are the ideal people we want to work with. So that's the entire market is there for the taking. And
lovely. And how is BNI going to be a part of that road ahead or that building ahead in your case?
I think 100%. Because the thing is that it's both forwards and backwards. Our clients are from BNI. We try and work with BNI members as much as possible when it comes to all of the things that we need to do, whether it's outsourcing some of our work or whether it's support in terms of couriers or insurances or whatever. I mean, everything. I mean, it's the entire framework, the entire structure, and I think if we grow, all of it grows. So it's
Incredible.
That's the plan.
BNI has been
Yeah.
about 35 to 40% of our business generated.
Yeah.
Wow.
So it's not a drop in the ocean where you just wait for it to happen.
Yeah.
We've gone out, we've pushed, we've built relationships, and not just in our chapters, it's across the board. And it's these guys who've come through for us. So
Yeah.
if I had to do something, I can't do it alone. I mean, I have 5 other people from 5 industries backing me up every step of the way. I mean, so many stories. Like, my branding's done by Sajid, for example.
Yes.
Munir's our mastermind coach. Kunal's our side mentor. Ramesh has supported us. Pradeep's been guiding us through and through with the PR strategies. It's not just one person. It's actually our subcontractors, our vendors, our suppliers, our support system. And it's a full circle. I wouldn't say anything different about it. So
Incredible, incredible. You guys are such a positive story to come out of a time of crisis. Thank you for being inspirational.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thanks.
awesome.